Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I'm showing how to make Alkaline Electric Chickpea Tofu. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are chickpea flour, spring water, parsley, and sea salt. So let's begin. So our first step, we're going to take the spring water. We're going to put it in a saucepan on a medium-high heat. We're going to add the parsley flakes, the sea salt, and the chickpea flour. And you're going to want to whisk this continuously until it becomes thickened. And you can't stop because it will start sticking to the pan. And you're going to do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. The chickpea tofu is almost done. I'm about to put it in my glass baking dish. And it has parchment paper lined on the bottom of it. Now we're going to take our spatula and smooth it out. Make sure you get it nice and leveled out. And then we're going to let it firm up. It takes about 30 minutes. We put it in the refrigerator. And after it firms up, we can cut it. And I also lightly oil the edges with grapeseed oil so it doesn't stick. So after about 30 minutes, the chickpea tofu is now firm. We're going to take a spatula to loosen up the edges. Then we're just going to turn it upside down. There it is. And then I like to cut them up in little cubes. Maybe like 3/4 inch cubes. And you can also eat it raw, or you could like saute it with a little bit of grapeseed oil in a cast iron skillet. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Chickpea Tofu. You can find this recipe on my website, TysConsciousKitchen.com, and also in my Volume 5 Gluten-Free Cookbook. They look delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.